So with the dairy farm, we had to deliver a lot of the milk, and that was my brother's job. And one day they thought they'd delivered everything, so they stopped at the Equity. Said, "We got a little extra time. Let's go in and have some ice cream." So they went in and enjoyed themselves for about 15 minutes. Came back out, and the horse and buggy were gone. And they thought, "Oh no, we stayed too long." And the horse wanted to go home and get his hay, so he went home without us. So the horse went home without us, without him. So they had to walk home.